What's going on? Coffee? It's good, man. Yeah, even better. Bacon, egg, and cheese, man. Good, right? I just stop here to grab me a bite. Let's see if I can get out here. Don't want me to go back on the road. Stop at this other spot before. I think one night. They have good food there. But I'm not a big fan of stopping on the road and eat. You know what I mean? It's a nice little spot. See that right here, man. Nice little spot, man. It's off 220 in Virginia. Back to the road again. Back to the road again. That's what I'm talking about, man. We're getting right on back some more mountain again. But I just got to get my breakfast, man. I ain't got no apples, no banana. Ain't got nothing this week. But it's planning getting all those stuff today. No, Wednesday. So I didn't go ahead and buy anything. Actually, I was gonna just come out here. Didn't have to buy anything. But I'm actually coming against spending money anyway. You know what I mean? Something you gotta spend money, man. You just come again not spending any money. So you gotta save your money, but you gotta feed yourself at the same time. For real, man, that stuff is actually good. Yep.
Miles ahead, straight on I-581 north.
Now we're going down the road now. How is it? Man, I should have ordered 2 other bacon, egg, and cheese, man. That stuff is good. Real, it's good. I ain't gonna tell you no lie, that stuff is good. And people was nice there too. I said I stopped there before. Sit there one night. Did my dinner there, man. It was pretty good. It's a spot I think I'll stop every once in a while when I come this way. So I don't come down this way a lot. If I do come down here, I ain't get to stop. Right now we're just riding, man. Just riding and see what's going on. Got my coffee to sip in while I ride down here. Like I said, normally I have my apple and my banana in the morning. I don't really normally eat breakfast, but this morning I decided to stop and grab me something because I know this little spot is a good little spot. So I just decided to stop here for a little bit. Give me something to eat. Keep moving again. I'll be home in a little bit. I don't know, man. I don't know too much good place to eat around here, nowhere, because I don't really stop and try. So I mean, so I don't really know much good places. I heard a lot of people ask me, "Hey man, where's a good spot to eat?" Like, man, I can't tell you nowhere. But this little spot down here, yeah, it's a really good spot, man. For real. Like I said, I eat dinner there one night, then I eat breakfast there in the morning, and I just come back and eat something again. And it's pretty, yeah, man, it's good. Like I said, I don't really eat on the road like that much. I do eat and cook, man. I don't really when I eat breakfast I eat apple and banana. Like I said, man, every once in a while you gotta stop and spend some money. Even though you're trying to save your money, you can't just be saving your money and not feeding yourself. You gotta feed yourself, but you gotta budget yourself how much you're gonna spend. Because if you don't budget yourself, then you spend off all your money. Remember, if you stop in the morning and get breakfast, I mean, my breakfast is mine was $6. Because it wasn't that expensive. Your lunch probably gonna be $10 to $12. So that's $18 right there. Your dinner probably be mostly from, what you gonna get for dinner anyway? For me, I'll get a salad, probably pay $11 to $12 for that. That's $30 right there, man. It's $30 you spend Monday, $40 Tuesday, right? $25 Wednesday. Basically, you decide you're gonna cut down. $95. Thursday, you say, you know what, man, I'm gonna buy something too. I might spend another 20, 25. Might spend 30. $30. That's Thursday. 125. Friday. You might spend another 30. That's 155 right here. But you know, I'm all screwed off on 150 a week. 150 a week. That's a lot of money. Spend $150 for the week. I go to the store and I picked up some stuff and I might spend $60. That hold me for a whole week. It might not be the food I'm gonna buy out here, but still gonna be a more healthier food. And you know, I cook in my truck, so sometimes I ain't gotta worry about it. I have my steamer. If I go there pick up my broccoli, my green beans and all those other stuff, can cook those. Make my vegetable bowl and fruits and stuff like that. Couple snacks. I think this thing gonna cost me $100. So think about it, man. Think about it. Think about it when you come out here. What you gonna do? What you wanna do? If you wanna waste $150. Like for me, I definitely don't want to waste $150. So I try to do stuff up. I try to get stuff before I come out here. And you're gonna eat good sometime when you're out here. You're gonna say, man, I'm working my money, so I'm gonna eat good. I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna stop and eat a good meal. I'm gonna eat some T-bone steak, man. What stuff costs money? Go to my house and cook those. Buy it at the store, bring it out there and cook it. That's something I always think about, how much I can save, man. But like I said, I'm not gonna tell you, it says, I'm not gonna tell you to use all your money, save all your money and don't spend anything on yourself. See, I was telling you about that J brakes, man. You gotta use a J brake. See, right now, I ain't using no brake right now. Down to 25, going down to 20 right now. But you're surprised how much money you can spend out here in a week. Spend a lot of money out here in a week, man. So if you come out and try to save money, you have to cut back on your spending. And me, I'm trying to learn that this year, man. Cut back on my spending. So I can save back more of those money. Even though, man, I don't really spend money out here buying food, like I told you, I don't really spend money on buying food and stuff out here. I don't really do that. I always try not to spend all these money out here. I try to save a little bit. But spending $150 on food, that's a lot of money, man. That's a lot of money for you to spend a week. $150. And you don't even get that much of a food. You don't even get that much of a food. Right? You don't get that much of a food anyway. So why am I want to spend $150 out here? Sometimes the food don't even all that good. Anything to save some money, man. That's what you gotta do. Anything to save money. I don't know what's going on right here. There's some traffic moving slowly. But yeah, man, like I said, man, save your money up. Save your money up. I'm not gonna tell you can retire early in this trade, but if you saved enough money up, you don't have to work this hard. I mean, you don't have to work hard all the time. This time you can relax. You don't have to jump every time they call you for work. You gotta jump for it. Save your money up. How to save your money up. I was reading this book, and a guy says you got to pay yourself. Every week you get a paycheck. And I mean working for a company, not working for yourself. Pay yourself though. Every week you get a paycheck, you pay yourself. 1/10 of what you earn, you pay yourself. A lot of people says, man, you can't do that and get rich. You might not get rich, but you still save a lot of money though. But when you save that money up, what you gonna do with it? Try to invest it, man. That's one of my biggest plans for this year, is to save that money up. Is to pay myself that 1/10 of what I earn. And I'm gonna try to do that every week. It doesn't matter how much I make. Every week I'm gonna put down 1/10 of what I earn. That's gonna be mine. I'm gonna put that down. That's money I'm gonna put down. I'm not gonna touch that money. I'm gonna do it for a year and see how much I can save. If you can put down more than 1/10, put it down, man. The reason why I'm saying this though, because later on, you don't know when if anything to happen to you, you've been driving truck for 5, 6 years, 10 years, and you don't have nothing, man. You got people out here where driving still, because they have to they have to keep running just to make money, just to survive, because they have too many bills. But all along you was working, you didn't save anything. You wasn't putting down any of those money, you was just spending it, because they just come in and just going out. For me, I can't do that. 2019, man. 2019. 1/10 of what you earn is for you to keep. Remember that. Tell yourself that every day. 1/10 of what you earn is for you to keep. Each week you get that paycheck, you make sure you pay yourself. Yeah, you make sure you pay yourself, man. Doesn't matter how much it is, 1/10 of what you have, you make sure. You put that money on yourself. Don't come out here running around, man, doing crap. You work hard out here. Pays off, man. Right now I'm in some traffic right now. Slow down. Slowing down right now. I don't know what's going on out here, man. But I'm gonna ride it out though. Slow moving traffic, man. But how can I save 1/10 of what I earn when I don't make enough, when I don't make that much money? What you gotta do is cut out that unnecessary bills that you have by stop spending all that money out here on food when you could pack your lunch, take to work with you. That's what I mean? Because you could pack your lunch, you could pack some stuff. You buy sandwich out here, you could make sandwich. You could pack your sandwich before you leave. You could buy yourself a cooler. Buy yourself a cooler, pack that stuff up, man. Pack your lunch in it, pack your dinner in it, or you get one of those steamer at the store, or slow cooker. If you do long driving, if you're a guy who drive for hours, you put whatever you gotta put in there in the morning, plug it up, drive, man. When you stop later on today, you got a hot meal, you might can get a lunch out of it. That's something you gotta think about if you wanna save that 1/10 of what you earn. Because every time you look at it, okay, man, okay, you know what, today I'm gonna cut myself down. I'm gonna spend only $50 today. Today I'm gonna only spend $100. No, for the week I'm only spend $100. So you start cut yourself down. That $150 you can go there and buy one of those. Walmart got so many different stuff you know you can use to cook in your truck. That's it, man. I have a steamer. When I'm riding on the road, I plug it up. I have my food in the cooking. And now I don't steam my vegetables. So while I'm riding, I'm eating, man. Bam, I've been eating some green beans or some string beans or green beans or broccoli. That's what I'm doing. Like, I don't even know what's going on up here, what's causing this traffic this morning. But said, man, alright, man, this is your boy Jamrock, man. I don't know if this give you any knowledge, man. I don't know if this teach you anything, but appreciate y'all take the time out to watch my video. If you've been here this long, man, just hit the like, the subscribe, and the share button, man. Alright, man, I'll see you in the next video, alright?